This video will show you how to repair tears in a bounce house. These instructions are for educational purposes only. Always ensure that the repair is sound and tested thoroughly before use. For repair supplies, we use scissors, straight pins, sewing needles, and fishing line. In addition, we use a commercial product called Tear-Aid Repair Tape that can be found at tear-aid.com or other retailers. To get started, you need to identify where your problem areas are. Don't get tunnel vision. There could be multiple tears. So a pro tip here would be to inspect your bouncer with the fan hooked up to notice any unseen air leaks. Once you've identified the tear, you can clean up the torn edges with scissors and fold the material under to create a hem, which will tidy up the area and help to strengthen the repair. Once you've straightened out the edge and folded the material, you can pin it to hold it in place. Now that the material is pinned, it's time to start sewing. For this, we use 6-pound test fishing line. The fishing line creates a durable and waterproof solution that offers the strength needed to support the constant abuse that bounce houses often face. Using an ordinary sewing needle will get the job done, but we use a curved upholstery needle, and this allows the fishing line to penetrate the bouncer material with ease and brings it right back around so that your overcast stitch can continue with uniformity. We place our stitches about 1/8 of an inch apart and approximately 1/16 of an inch below the edge of the hem. As far as the Tear-Aid patch kits, you need to make sure that you match up the right type of patch for your specific bounce house material. We use both Tear-Aid Type A and Type B on our bouncers. To finish off the newly repaired section, the Tear-Aid will instantly seal and reinforce the repair. Before you apply, you want to make sure that the area is clear of any dust or debris that may come in contact with the patch. To apply the patch, you want to measure out your tape 2 to 3 inches longer on each side. You want to peel off the backing as you go, smoothing out the surface and making sure to remove any bubbles. As stated previously, these instructions are for educational purposes only. Always ensure that the repair is sound and tested thoroughly before use.